Gosh, this is like so weird.
What is going on?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Our camera is having issues.
Diba, parang everything is happening.
Okay. Can you move here?
Can they see us now?
Yeah, I think so. Or it's just my internet is slow. I'll check Facebook. Actually, I don't have to turn this on. Yeah, we are live.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay. This is so weird. Okay.
May delay.
Yes, may delay. Hey guys! Hello!
Oh, I know na kasi the bot keeps going this way.
Okay, alright.
That's why.
Okay. You know what? Well, you know what's weird? It's weird na parang wala tayong dalawang kausap. Now we're just here and
Yeah.
it's just live. But this is so funny. Okay, I'm so sorry we're late, mommies. We're having technical issues.
Yes. A
But
lot.
can you let us know if you can hear us just fine, please? And it's been a hot minute. My goodness. I feel like I forgot how to do this.
I know. It's been so long.
Yes, it's been so
Parang-
long.
It's been a while. It's not. It's not enough to
Yes.
describe.
Yup. Kamusta, mommies? How are you? Sige, let's just read who are here with us today. Whew. I'm so nervous, friend.
Plus,
I am so nervous.
me too. Hindi lang halata. I'm like stoic.
Yeah, yes po. Audio is clear naman. Yay!
Perfect.
That's good to hear. Okay.
Ayaw sa akin ng
friend?
bot. Nag-move siya dito.
Wait. No, let's make it move. Yes. Hi,
Yay!
mommies. Yay! Okay. Yeah, so we're
Hello.
together for today. Parang iba ang aura ni Mommy Marie ngayon. Yes. We have a very beautiful mommy here.
That is so perceptive, mommy. Thank you.
Did you change your hair color?
I did. Why isn't it loading sa akin?
Ayan.
It's just the
Okay, refresh it.
so much technical difficulties.
Yes, we're having issues here, but
Oh, there. Yeah, I can see it now.
okay, that is perfect. Yay! All right. Hello, mommies. We're so happy to be here. It's been a while.
Yes.
So please bear with us. It's really been a while. Can you believe that our last one is like January? Yeah, so that was like episode 12. And then I remember we talked about K-drama. We talked about
Queen of Tears.
Queen of Tears. We also talked about our New Year's resolutions.
We
What
talked
else?
about being unbothered.
We talked about being unbothered, and we've had several surprises, life updates, that
Big changes.
big changes in our lives that I think, some of them we can share with most of you mommies.
Yes.
Yes, but if you are new here, welcome to Nipnook and Me Time. I'm Mommy Rachel.
Mommy Marie.
Yes, so we're here. It's a podcast about motherhood, kids, managing everything, postpartum well-being, our
Yes.
mental health. And also, we're here to make Mother's Month special as well, because we also have some giveaways for today, like those above. We have the Mame Bestie, which is the limited edition.
It is?
Yes, it's the red wine color. And we also have
Love
the
it.
Mame Hush 3.0. So I don't know if you guys already know, but yeah, so Mame just released their Gen 3, and whenever they release a new version, Frenny, wait lang, lagay
Do
yung
you
ano.
wanna stop the bot?
Okay, but I don't know how.
Do you wanna call her in person?
Wait. No,
I
I
think-
think
I
I
think
think we
it's
got it. Yeah. But okay, but anyway, do you wanna explore?
I'll explore
Frenny?
while you're talking. Sige.
Okay, sige. Ayan. Oh wait.
Do you have that?
Okay, where's the app?
Wait, I'm
Oh
gonna
my
explore.
gosh. Okay, so anyway, I was talking about Mame Hush 3.0. And whenever they release a new version or a new gen, it's because they have completed the improvements. So
Yes.
ako, I am so happy for the new Mama of the Mame Hush 3 because it's a really good pump. Actually, nung una pa lang na gen is super love na natin siya. And now that they also made some improvements, then, it's gonna be amazing. So, ayun. Yeah, so we're gonna give that away. And also the bestie, which is the limited edition, the color red one, the red wine or something. Parang ganong color.
It's like Merlot.
Yes, it's a really pretty breast pump as well. And we're gonna give that away. So stay tuned, mummies, for the mechanics of today's giveaways. Ayan. I think it's not moving anymore.
Is it okay? There you go.
There you go. Yes, my techie Franny is here. Thank you so much.
Not quite. Feeling techie.
Feeling techie. Yeah, so ayun, mommies. If you're new here, again, welcome. And we're so happy that you guys are here with us. We're excited because it's been a while and we also wanted to make kwentuhan, make chika. There are also some moms who sent out their burning questions yesterday, which are which are I'm excited to answer. Kind of related to some of our topics for today. Yeah, so
You know what's funny? We didn't prep.
yes.
We didn't have a calibration. We used to have like a just touching base on what we're gonna talk about, what are the questions. We didn't have that. So you're gonna get a very spontaneous, very unfiltered,
Very unfiltered, very raw
very raw
versions of me and Marie for tonight.
Yes.
So yes, so hello everyone again. Thank you for being here. I also wanted to say hi to a couple of people, a couple of moms who are with us. We have oh yes, okay. So yes, congrats pala Mommy Rach. Yes, so thank you for all the support that you have for the Shadrach's new collection.
Uy, kilig ako dun, Frankie. What's next for that? What's next sa Shadrach? So I know that you're the ambassadress of Shadrach. So what are we looking forward to?
Okay, so there are actually a couple of surprises. Ang hirap pala magtago ng secret. because because syempre, if you're excited about something, tapos syempre you wanna share it with others, diba?
Yeah.
So, but of course, I also wanted to make sure that I wait for Shadrach's, release. It's for Mother's Month, so that's why I'm so happy about it. It's parang it really speaks of my advocacy and my community. So I'm just so grateful that they trusted me to be Mother's Month ambassador. So yun, I'm so proud.
And you deserve it, Franny. Parang I think out of all of the people that I know in social media, we're really advocates of motherhood. And I'm not saying this with bias, but like the intent behind the things that you do, andun eh, parang it's so evident eh. Like I know that you have like a not as big a following as the others who have been here the longest, but like the honesty and I guess the intent to be sincere and genuine about everything that you're doing, it just shows. And I think the moms also appreciate that.
Oh.
Don't cry.
Well, it's true. And
Mhm.
I've always believed na, and you know naman at Nipnok and whatever we do for
Mm-mm.
our mommies, it's really, for me, it's really not about the number of followers that I have.
Yes.
It's always about parang the happiness that you have, that I have whenever I reach out to moms,
Mhm.
diba?
Yeah.
And for the longest time, I have like um a group of moms who are really engaged from the beginning.
Yeah.
And yun lang yun naman na yung nagmamatter sa akin, eh, diba? Like, I
Mm.
don't need much, right? I just want to continue on helping moms.
Yeah.
And if it reaches more people, then that's great. If not, that's also okay. So
Yeah.
as long as we keep helping people, then, that's what matters.
It was never about popularity or
Right.
diba? Parang it's all about helping. It's all about giving. That's what's important.
Yeah.
And also spreading the love. No, so
Yes.
I'm happy. The people who have been following me from the start, Nipnok specifically. I'm happy that they recognize that. Obviously, there are people who won't value that, who value something else. But like for the ones who have valued Nipnok's advocacy from the start, that's very much appreciated by Rachel and ako as her friend, and the one who saw everything rise from the ground up. It's just really a matter of pride for me to see that. So
Okay, naiyak na.
Naiyak ako.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, thank you, Franny. And yun,
It's
alam mo,
been a while.
it's been a while, yeah. Natatawa nga ako kasi, di ba, Shadrach would actually do like spoilers.
Mhm.
And then those that have been with me from the beginning, talagang they would comment, o si Mami Rachel to, ganyan. So
Mhm.
nakakatuwa. And there's even one mom, si Mami Catherine, she's here. She's watching, I saw her name, na kahit we've never seen each other in person,
Yeah.
alam niyang ako.
Mhm.
So sobrang nakakatuwa. It's so cute. And sobrang
To think, hindi mo pa pinapakita yung face mo madalas.
Oo, yes. To think na,
Di ba?
yun, yes. And we're both like introverts.
Introverts.
We don't really like, I don't usually, post about my face.
Mhm.
So very minimal ang aking.
Ito na yun.
Ito na yun. Mostly for me time.
Mhm.
Pero yun. But yeah, I'm just so happy about Shadrach. And then of course kay si Jen, she trusted me with this collaboration. So I'm just so grateful. And I've also learned in this journey na talagang God will lead you to the right people
Yes,
who
that's
you will partner with, who you will share your brand with.
Mhm.
So sa akin, very pili yung mga, the brands that I want to work with, because of course I want to make sure that we have the same values,
Yeah.
we have the same beliefs, or we have the same advocacy of helping other moms. So yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. And yun, I'm glad that we have this collaboration to
Yeah.
share.
I'm so excited dun sa yung, di ba sabi ni Jen before, nung nag-guest siya, yung baby carrier for the autistic kids, for the special kids. I'm so excited to see that.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that in any brand siguro. No, parang that's gonna be the first time. That's gonna be groundbreaking.
Yeah.
And yun nga, parang pagka lumabas yun talaga, siguro akong unang bibili. Siguro kahit mabigat na si Gavin, bibiling ko pa rin siya. Test ko lang siya.
Yeah. There are actually more secrets that I can't share yet. Pero wala, sobrang exciting lang because, a lot of these brands make their improvements, innovate so that they can help more moms, more people. Right.
Innovation. Yan ang ganda ng sinabi mo. Innovation
Yes.
is really important. When you're a brand owner or
Mm-hmm.
a business owner, parang you need to be able to innovate, evolve. You can't just be stuck on your own personal beliefs on something, because when you start to do that, then there's no growth.
Yeah.
Diba? Like for one, let's talking about brands. Let's say Apple versus BlackBerry. I used to love BlackBerry. Did you love BlackBerry?
I had BlackBerry. Yes.
So, I love BlackBerry. I love the pretty keys. But then it didn't evolve. No, parang it kind of stepped into the Android game, but after that, parang wala na.
Yeah.
So, nawala na sila. But if they, if they just held it out there and just evolved with other brands, that's where feedback, I guess, comes from. No, when it comes to, being a brand owner, the feedback that you're getting from people. I remember something that Karen said the last time we saw each other, yung sabi niya, whether good or bad, I will take it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you post something bad on my page, on the iMani page or the Mami page, I will take that. So like, oh my god, that takes a lot of courage for you to do that and just
Yeah.
accept that, whether it's good or bad. Diba?
Correct.
But you're never gonna be successful if you don't get to that level of comfort where you're ready to accept anything, right?
Yeah.
So wala lang, naalala ko lang when you said innovation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I actually posted about Karen kasi nga a lot of the reviews that we've posted about her breast pumps, she really made sure to take feedback and see how they can change for the better.
Even before.
Yeah.
Diba?
Even before pa.
When I was pumping, wala pang nipnok, wala pang time.
Yes.
Wala ding, nothing. And then I didn't like the first version of Imani, and so one of the moms, si Emily, diba, she would post something, about Imani, and I would be like, LG pa rin ako ganyan. And then so we would post reviews.
Yeah.
And then nagulat na tayo, there's what's that, the I2.
Yeah.
Tapos
Yeah,
parang
I remember that.
Unang-una ako, umila ako talaga sa I2, diba? Parang I was refreshing all the time. So from one doubter.
Wait, the I2 is the first wearable, right?
The I2 Plus pala.
The I2 Plus, yes. Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi I was telling Karen nga, when the I2 Plus was released, nainggit ako sobra kasi sila nag-check out. Wala akong pera at that time. Wala akong pera at that time. So,
meron!
No. Wala akong pera at that time. I mean, meron pero siguro not for that. But, pero kasi naalala ko, parang na-close na yung pre-order. Na-close na yung pre-order and then I messaged, pwede mong pa-extend or whatever. Tapos yun, sabi ko, okay, I'll just wait. I'm sure it's gonna be pero yun, I remember all the feedback that we gave her, and even up to now, she's making sure that they take on feedback well. So, yun, improvement lang for the better.
Yeah, and it's not about friendship. Just to be clear about those things, we became friends after na, diba? Pero even before us becoming friends, like she's been open to feedback. From everybody, even not from us, like from other people who are also doing reviews or testing her pumps, right? She doesn't post about it, of course, but like, I think for me, that's valuable as a mom, kasi syempre lahat ng mga ginagastos mo, gusto mo may return of investment eh.
Yeah.
Diba? So, if you're not getting the return of investment, then it's not worth it.
Yeah. I also wanted to reiterate that, okay, before we became friends with Karen, we were long-time customers.
Yes.
We were customers of Yuha, of Imani.
Hindi pa nga niya hawak yung Yuha nun eh.
Yeah. So ayun. And then, I think she's also one of the people that we were led to. Kasi nga, same values.
Yeah.
She really valued us as her customers who consistently gave feedback. So yun, super happy to find like-minded moms, right? Who's just all about helping other people. So yun. So, yeah. Marami tayong mommies here.
How many viewers do we have?
We have 16,000. Hello, Mommy Mika. Oh, andito din si Jared. Narinig niya na yung pinagchichikahan natin yung boss niya.
Hello, Mommy Jared. I haven't met you in person, but
Yes.
Kasi diba I missed
the event. Yeah.
I missed the event.
Yes, it's alright, Franny.
And it was intentional.
Yeah.
I'll tell you about it later on.
Yes, we'll tell you about it later on, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. So we've had an eventful Q1. So I don't know about you, mommies, pero parang always a blur yung January to March. Tapos April, parang April is like a hangover of the Q1.
Mhm.
And then you wake up and oh my goodness, it's May na.
Yes, yes.
Like ano nangyari? But ayun, I've had like many changes for Q1, like we moved to a new house. Yun, that's one of God's unexpected blessings for our family.
Mm.
It just all panned out, and so ayun, we already moved in.
And I remember we were talking about it in October.
Yes,
Diba?
oo.
Bought a new house, parang minamanifest, no?
Mm-mm.
Sige, let's pray for that. I'm sure you'll get it. I'm sure you'll get anything.
Grabe, pero yun lang,
Mhm.
sobrang daming blessings ni Lord. And so many unexpected blessings actually.
I guess that kind of mentality is something that I have been studying to absorb and take. Ang ganda ng view mo dito, ha, in fairness. Ang ganda na nagsasalita ako, nakatingin ako sa sky. Pero, yung bang, when you give out of love and for the glory of God, I don't want to be like completely religious here and polarize people, right? But like, sa akin lang, but it's a personal realization na parang if you prioritize like setting aside like some of the blessings that you're getting to bless other people, it will come back to you full. And for me, parang ikaw yung parang best example for that. And I always tell, you can ask Kyrie later. So my son is downstairs. The noisy one, that's my son. Yeah, I keep telling him, you have to have a mind for giving. You have to have like a, ano tawag dun, parang a spirit and a heart for giving. Because then,
Yeah.
if you don't know how to give, it's not gonna come back to you. You're just gonna take, and take. So unang-una yung giving. And yung sincere kind of giving, ha? Hindi yung giving parang, just, sige sa'yo na yan, tapos parang masama yung loob mo.
Yeah.
But like giving because you really wanna share your blessings to other people. It will always come back. And ito na yan. Yung mga nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, friend.
Yeah. So I actually had a podcast also with Mama Academy, Mama K. And one of her questions for me, sorry, pinoil ko na rin. But
Hindi ko alam na.
pero yes, ang question niya kasi sa akin, like, what was the heart behind Nipno? And my answer to that was, it started when I had my postpartum depression. I did my counseling, and then I sincerely changed and did my best to improve my relationship with the Lord. That started my, all the changes in my life and my walk with God. And I feel like Nipnok is just a fruit of that event in my life. So whatever I have right now, parang it's just giving back to what God has given me also all these years and how He has helped me through the process of postpartum depression. Ganyan. So parang, everything that we do here is just really a result of my faith and also how I my advocacy as well, and just really sincerely doing my best to help. Yun. And ako din, like, my mantra, me and my husband, right? It's always when it comes to doing anything, go big or go home. So it's also like when you're trying to help people, either you go big or you don't do it. Kasi like you also want to make that impact
I love that.
On people.
Yeah.
Like, is it gonna be that impactful na parang, oh, it changed their life talaga, right? And like, so that's something that I strive and do my best to do. Kasi nga, it's, it's helping more moms. So that can be through me time, through events or simple giveaways, even some of the sponsorships that I get, diba, you can just give it away then.
Yeah.
Especially if I don't need it.
You can
Um,
actually, if you didn't have that mind for giving, then you could have just sold them, diba? Para
Yeah.
earn more for that. But
Well, I used to do that.
no, but that's your personal stuff, not like
Yeah.
the others. Right? The other things that you're getting, yung mga ano mo. I mean, even personal stuff na pinapamigay ko na halos eh. Like I bought a lot of stuff from you, and it's like the amount, the original amount is like this. She would give it to me for like this amount. Always.
Ay, nako. Well, especially if you're a friend.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Usually, pinapamigay ko.
Oo. Kaya nakaabang ako sa declutter.
Well, there's gonna be another decluttering, but ayun. But
Wala bang
yun.
exclusive Frenny because
Alam mo, tingnan mo, Freddy, nakakatawa nga kasi yung ibang buyers ng
Mhm.
decluttering ko, parang, yun, parang syempre, di ba, you have to comment first, right? For you to get the item.
yeah.
And I even say, like, even sa friends ko,
Yeah.
did you guys get like first dibs on my stuff?
Wala.
No. Actually, when they went here, they were asking, sila Jigs, ayan, nandyan, hi Jigs. Mami Rach, asan yung mga mats mo? Ganyan.
Oo.
Asan yung mga, yung kitchen
Yung
mo?
kitchen,
Yun. So, sabi ko, no, wait ka na lang ma-post. Tapos, pag nauna kayo, good. And if not,
no bias.
no bias,
friendship,
yes.
So, ako abang lang din ako, guys. That's how fair she is, diba?
Yes.
I love what you said earlier about go big and go home. Because I think that puts into words everything, like my personal belief and everything. And siguro kaya tayo nakiklik rin kasi for me, kasi parang, especially when it comes to work and things that I'm really passionate about, it's always, you have to give like 500% of everything. I hate being mediocre. I hate being like in the middle. When I was given the feedback na, oh, you're giving me mediocre performance, sasaktan talaga ako.
Yeah.
Parang I wanna die. Ganun yung feeling. Kasi parang that has been always at the forefront of my mind. Na parang it has to be 100% or nothing at all. Even in personal choices, right? Like, pagdating sa, hindi pwede sa akin yung, the people who know me know that, na parang, if I go to a mall, tapos mag-shopping ako ng dress, hindi pwede na yan.
Yeah.
It has to be, I have to feel something so that I'll buy it, even if it's so pretty, even if it's pink. If it doesn't hit that spot, wala. Hindi siya 100% for me. I will let it go.
Yeah. Well, that's a good thing, right? You have
Yeah.
high standards.
Standards are important.
Standards are very important. And I think, based on your standards, then you attract.
Yes.
You attract either like-minded people or you will attract those who really negate you.
Well, you attract all sorts of people. There will be people who will come to you in your life just to test you, spite you, challenge you to make sure that you're still in the same standard of thinking, diba?
Yep, and that's actually one of our burning questions for tonight, Franny.
I'm spoiling it, sorry.
Yeah. But after our first burning question is we're gonna do the Mommy Bestie giveaway.
Yeah.
So I hope that you girls are excited, mommies. We have the bestie up for grabs. But also we wanted to answer one of the burning questions that a mommy submitted actually. And her question is, what are your thoughts about mommies degrading other mommies?
I'm very curious where this came from.
Oo nga eh. Ako din eh. Sabi ko, but of course, we are gonna answer this burning question.
Yes. Before that, let's read a couple of comments.
Sige. Go.
So may mga ano tayo may mga followers tayo nakaka-join na umahabot sila. So welcome.
Welcome to episode 13.
Yeah, hindi pa naman kayo masyadong late kasi we started late because we had a couple of issues.
Yes, technical issues.
So welcome. Generous ka daw, Mommy Rach. Oh yes, she is very generous. But syempre, of course, may boundaries, di ba? Parang hindi naman yung generous na.
Correct.
And then, always with the thought of, giving because you really need it. So if you got something from her and you don't find the need for it already, pay it forward, huwag ibenta, ha? Bigyan niyo sa nangangailangan din. Kasi di ba parang you got it the same way, right?
Yeah.
You got it the same. Ako kasi, ang philosophy ko ganun, parang pag binigay sa akin, and then I don't have any use for it, then I will find somebody who will have
Mhm.
use for it too. Na parang, kasi it was given to you. You don't get free stuff just for the heck of it, right?
Yeah.
It's always provided by some higher being. If you don't believe in God, then
Yeah.
it's, di ba, parang provided by some higher being. So it came to you for a reason. If you don't
Correct.
use it, then you give it to somebody who will find use for it. So yun.
Yes.
Yun ang standard of generosity namin yung age.
Yes.
Tapos nakaabang daw sila sa decluttering. Same as me, mommy. Same as me.
Yeah.
You have to wait for the bags decluttering.
Well, yes, if I have the energy, but yes, I'm targeting to do it again next week.
Mag-live, ano ka ba, Freddy? Siguro mag-live ka.
Alam
I
mo,
like that.
nahirapan ako mag-live kasi. Tapos you're gonna present an item and then the price and you're gonna wait for someone to mine. Eh, paano pag walang nag-mine?
Hindi, just video it and just show the sides, ganyan.
Yeah.
I will help you if you don't find it. Kahit upo ka lang dun sa gilid, tapos sabihin na lang that it's like 1, 2, gano'n.
Yeah.
Ako magla-live for you.
Ikaw magla-live, yeah.
Mhm.
I feel like it's just a lot of work. But at the same time,
Yeah.
I also feel that it's easier than posting. Taking
Yes.
photos,
Mhm.
and then posting it. Ako pa naman kailangan pretty din yung photo.
Oo, hindi pwede pucho-pucho yung photos, diba? Ayaw natin ng pucho-pucho.
Yes.
So, we could do that. I mean, naisip ko lang, parang you can take a video of everything. Tapos like, just post it ng late. Tapos sila, kung sino yung magmamine, take a screenshot, comment mine. Oh,
Yeah.
whoever comments mine first, sige sa'yo na.
Sige.
Brainstorming live.
We will, totoo, we will discuss how we're
Mhm.
gonna do the next decluttering. Pero
Yeah.
thank you for all the suggestions. Sige, Franny, let's go back na to
Okay,
our
go.
burning question.
Burning question.
Yes, so what are your thoughts about mommies degrading other mommies? You wanna go first?
That's a very loaded question. Ano? Kasi parang degrading in what sense? Kasi there are different kinds of degrading. Sometimes it's all about perception. Na parang, were you really degraded? Yun yung unang question na parang, so I would think about where that came from first. So let's assume though in this situation it was done live, guess face to face, na parang right in front of you, were degraded by somebody. Or are we talking about generally? So siguro let's do general. No?
General na lang.
So I guess I would say degrading in general is not okay. Not okay at all. People have their own way of doing things, of thinking. Mothers, especially, we have our own styles. We have our own parang techniques, diba, when it comes to parenting and all that. And then, of course, there will be people who would think that your style of parenting, your style of motherhood is not okay for them. But my philosophy has always been communicate the best way possible. So
Yeah.
if you find that you don't agree with somebody or something that they're doing, you can always say it in a nice way, in a constructive way, more than, aabot ka sa point na you're insulting somebody or degrading somebody.
Yeah.
Some other way. So doon muna tayo.
Sige. Yeah. So,
Mhm.
I think I want to answer lang specifically, what are your thoughts about mommies degrading other mommies? So I think in a deeper sense, I feel like moms who do this, or just people who do this in general, have a deeper issue inside or internally.
Yeah.
I don't know, they might be going through something, they might be insecure, they might be going through a really tough challenge in their life. I mean, I just feel like if you're at that point where you're disrespecting someone, you're belittling someone, or degrading someone, parang there is a deeper issue. And it can be because you're unhappy, because, I don't know, whatever that is, right? And my thoughts about that, actually, I've recently experienced this, right? And I don't think it's degrading. I also don't think that parang there's just hate, right? There's just hate. And of course, I'm sure that once in our lifetime we will experience, bashers.
Yes.
People who will just disrespect you or whatever, have different beliefs. And I just think that you just have to raise your standard. Na okay, if you're disrespecting me or if you're just hating, then I'm not gonna
Indeed.
engage because this is not the kind of interaction I want to have for myself. And that's the
Yes.
standard that I'm setting for myself.
Mhm.
Kasi you have to, parang, if you engage, it's just gonna be like,
Walang
parang,
katapusan eh,
walang
di ba?
katapusan. Yeah, but for me, it's also the respect that I have for myself.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go that route, you know. I will try to fix it though.
Mhm.
But if the person is unwilling and just really like hateful, then I would think that there's just no point.
Yeah.
And practically speaking, what I did was I just prayed for that person.
Yeah.
Kasi there are some people that you have no control over, right?
Of
There's
course,
so
yeah.
many things that you have no control over. But we have a God who is in control. So siya
Mhm.
na bahala dun, right?
And it's so parang, gusto ko sana sabihin funny, but it's not funny. But it's, parang napaka, and I don't believe in coincidences, right? But it's such a coincidence that after that incident happened, a lot more blessings came your way. Na parang, this one person intended to, like, do things to harm you, but the opposite happened.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
So parang you would see where the blessings will go if you have really bad intentions. Diba?
Yeah.
Bad din yung babalik sa'yo. Diba? But if you have good intentions, good yung babalik sa'yo.
Yes. And I'm not trying to brag.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not like that pero that same week, parang sunod-sunod yung blessings.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I was a little confused na parang, it just went a different route all of a sudden.
Yeah.
And then, my husband and I were talking about it. Like, I was a little like sad
Yeah,
about
of
what's
course.
going on, right? Of course, kasi I feel like my mission was attacked.
Mhm, yeah.
My advocacy was attacked. And that's fine, right? But there are just so many blessings that I cannot not, you know, parang focus on.
Mm-hmm. The bad things.
Yes. Parang it's just a small part of a very bright life.
Yes.
And I shouldn't focus on that.
That's true.
So, siguro advice also is that, continue to focus on what you're doing. If you're doing the right thing, then you should be unbothered.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we are unbothered.
That's our theme.
That's our theme
Unbothered.
for today's episode. Yes.
Yes. So, just in that, Frenny, parang, I was one of the few who, hindi ako live. So, for the mommies out there who know I have been out of social media since January.
Mm-hmm.
Like, even if my Facebook account is like, I don't use it at all. But then when that came, I was one of the first few who was really so angry about it because I know where all of these things that you're doing come from. And I know the intent behind it. And so sabi ko, ako, alam mo naman, we're ride or die.
Yes.
So, sabi ko, I just need to say something because I feel like it's unfair that this was happening. And for me, kasi in general, talagang degrading somebody as a no-no.
Yeah.
Like up front, right? Like
Mm-mm.
upfront degrading somebody is a no-no. For me, it will always be there are differences to approach. Every
Yeah.
time, meron kang way of saying things, but as long as, or we could have totally different opinions about things, but like when we get to the point where we're degrading someone,
Mm-hmm.
below the belt na yun, X na yun agad sa akin. Parang you don't have to go that route. That's like unnecessary. So if you really want to have a discourse with me, if you want to talk to me about things, then you can talk about things
Mm-hmm.
in a civil manner.
Yeah.
Diba? But when you said earlier about, just looking at the things that are controllable, that's so true. Because in that specific event, hindi mo naman makokontrol, hindi mo naman babago yung isip niya. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo mababago yung isip ng ibang tao who have seen it. But like, show these people, I guess for the mom who asked this, no, parang, disconnect from the person who's doing this to you.
Yeah.
Sometimes even if it's your friend, you have to oh my god, you have to disconnect because um you have to choose your peace over everything else. That's what I've learned in the past few weeks, past few months. Protect your peace at all costs. And you
Yeah.
know, ang sabi sa akin ng therapist ko is like your peace has to come first over everything else.
Yeah.
So if there is something that is disturbing your peace or ruining your peace for you, you have the choice to walk away or
Yeah.
wallow in that environment. But just recognize that if you choose to wallow in that environment of letting somebody destroy your peace, you're also going to do the same thing to other people.
Right.
Pay it forward.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that's so true.
And I also want to mention kasi there are so many groups, right? There are
Yeah.
so many communities out there, mommies.
Mhm.
And it's very easy to get sucked by all of the negativity.
Yeah.
'Di ba? One mommy, for example, is degrading somebody and parang it's so easy to just join in.
Yeah,
Right?
especially in social media.
Especially in social media, 'di ba? So for me, I think one of my biggest lessons talaga is like you have to choose who you surround yourself with.
Oh, that's true.
Kasi ang hirap eh, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Like can you imagine like being part of that mom group or group, 'di ba, who does that? And like even in the bigger picture, like in my community, and I always choose who I work with.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And you know that
Yes.
because even if some brands would give, something free, whatever, they're so generous. If I'm not aligned with the values of that brand, then I'm not gonna go for it.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Even in our wearable breast pumps PH,
Yeah.
we choose who we collaborate with
Yes.
because that person, if you are not aware of their values and you work with them, then meron ng parang na connotation
Yes.
that you have the same values.
Yeah. Yeah. And being a group owner, when I was building wearable pumps, it's never gonna be perfect, right? But you as the owner, you as the leader, you have the power to stay in the middle
Mm-hmm.
and I guess empower what you want to empower. So in our group, the group has been it's not perfect. No group is perfect, right?
Yeah.
But it's how you address all of these issues that are coming.
Mhm.
There are so I'm sure this is happening to other groups as well, but like there are a lot of micro issues that have been happening inside, like chismis,
Yeah.
and the chismis awayan, parinigan sa sa group. My belief has always been if it is outside the core mission of the group, then it doesn't deserve to be in the group. So there have been a couple of complaints that came in. We deleted them. We removed them. We removed
Yeah.
people. Right? It has hurt a lot of people, and it has, it has been. We have people who have been dissatisfied about what happened, but
Correct.
again, if it's not aligned to the mission of your group, then even if they're really good friends of yours, then you have to remove them. You have to call it out, right?
Yeah.
You have to correct them. So obviously, the being part of the group, it's not easy. Being a leader of a mom community is never easy. You're dealing with what emotions.
Yes.
Postpartum, yeah,
Correct.
ganyan.
Yeah.
But what's important to understand as somebody who has to stand above over everything else, hurt people.
Yeah.
So if you see somebody who is, degrading or hurting other people, katulad ng sinabi ni Rich, may something yan. Maybe they're not happy with their lives. And sad na lang na ganun yung nangyayari. But understand that it's coming from something. And then choose to walk away if you have to.
Correct. And sorry, just one last point about this also, Franny. I'm not saying we're perfect, right? We've also
We're so
gone
far
through
from
we've also gone through some
Mhm.
versions of our feistiness
Yes.
and fierceness. But I would also say that as long as you acknowledge that you're accountable,
You hold yourself
you
accountable.
hold yourself accountable, and you change for the better, then you know,
Yeah,
I wanted to mention that,
that's
you
true.
know.
That's true.
Yep. And for our Mami Bestie giveaway, Franny.
Yun na.
Yes, so if you are here and
You want me to get the Mami Bestie? Is it
sure,
the,
sure.
the wine one, right?
Sure, Franny. Yes, get the Mami Bestie first, and then I will make a thread. Let's
So pretty.
yes, our Mami Bestie. Perfect for first-time moms, or if you are a mom with multiple kids and you don't want to deal with all the fuss and
Yes.
just press one button, then this is for you. So the Mami Bestie, actually, I will create a
This is-
thread.
Oh, it's mommy's. It's an open. See, and
Ayan, it's unopened, of
It's
course,
sealed.
because our moms deserve
This is-
brand new pump.
is this ano? Kasi nga wala ako sa social media, but is it ano? Did they launch this?
Yeah, they launched it specifically for Mother's Day. So it's the limited edition Mami Bestie.
See it? It's wine.
Yes,
red.
correct.
So nice. You know, so I bought a bestie, and I would do that a lot of times. Like I bought stuff and then I just gave it to people who really need it. I bought a bestie and then I gave it to my former colleague. She
Mhm.
loved it.
Oh.
And it was the first version, so madami pa siyang improvements sa kailangan, right? But this one is is it the first version?
No, improved then.
So
Improved
nice.
version. Yes.
The one that
That's
has
why
the-
we love Mami. Yes, so that is our first giveaway for today. I will make a thread. And all you have to do, mommies, is comment under my Mami Bestie giveaway thread. And ayan, I already wrote a comment there. So you have to reply to that comment of Nipnok saying Mami Bestie giveaway thread.
There.
And comment your takeaway from our first burning question. Yon. So, what is your takeaway from our first burning question? So, if you're here, you should be able to answer that.
If you listen.
If you listen. But I think it's just it's also like good takeaways,
Yeah,
right? It's good
yeah.
reminders, especially for our moms who have experienced or are experiencing. I hope they don't experience it, right? But yun. So feel free to comment on that
Thread.
comment thread, the Mame Bestie giveaway thread.
Yes.
And just comment on your takeaway, your favorite takeaway, or whatever takeaway you have from our first burning question.
Actually, ang dami ng takeaway yun. Hindi lang
Oo
natin
nga
binasa.
eh.
But
Yes.
if you wanna use that and post that in your comments, okay lang din. Recycle
Okay
din
lang
nila.
din. Correct. So you can just copy that and yun. Reply. Copy and reply to that comment. And while we're
Yeah.
waiting, what are the things that we can look forward to for Nipnok? There are some more events coming. More surprises. Actually, mommies, hindi lang ito yung giveaway natin for this month.
Mm-hmm.
We have more breast pumps. We also have some more baby and mommy items. So we're so excited. We're gonna post some of the mechanics. We're also gonna partner with Mama Fit, Franny,
Yes.
with Coach Mindy, and we have an event coming soon. We will definitely announce yun, the details of the
Yun.
event.
Freeze na.
Nag-freeze na kasi nga, it's been an hour.
Yeah, it's been a while also.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But I do wanna, alam mo gusto kong i-sponsor Frenny. Like personally sponsor something just because I'm grateful for being here.
Oh.
No, but I am. Kasi parang so much has changed ever since I did like therapy, like the way I look at things, right? And so I feel like I'm fortunate that I went through all of those hopes in life. and also disconnecting sa social media.
Yeah.
It made me realize a lot of things, and isa sa mga na-realize ko is that you have to take care of yourself first. Because if you don't, then you lose all of these other things. Standards mo in life, ganyan, di ba? So,
Correct.
I think I wanna sponsor parang a hair care thing. I don't know, like color or like a specific amount na lang, tapos kayo nang bahala pumunta dun sa salon.
Oh, ay talaga, Freddy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. O
Oo.
sige, do you wanna do it
So,
now or next time?
Sige, I can do it now.
Okay.
And well, yung details we can share next time.
Ah,
But
sige.
so I love the salon in Angeles. So I'm always in Angeles. I think I should live here.
You should. You should live here.
But so I'm always in Angeles, and then I went to this Korean salon last time.
Yeah.
I had a hair color, and then I did the C curl, and that at that time medyo talaga I was at the lowest of the low. But after I did that, parang it's a pick me up.
Yeah.
It was a first step to everything that has changed in life, and kind of just brought back a little bit of my confidence. So I'm gonna sponsor like maybe a hair color and a balayage.
Oh my gosh.
What do you call this? So there's a salon, a Korean salon in Angeles called Juno Hair. I follow them on Instagram.
Yeah.
I've always wanted to do a balayage, pero uunahin ko yung giveaway before
Aw.
myself. I'll sponsor that. There's specific amount, tapos kayo na lang magdagdag kasi it depends on your hair.
Yeah.
They don't do that. So sa Juno Hair, you have to go there and you have to have your hair assessed.
Okay.
So I'll give a specific amount, and then you can use that amount for any kind of hair treatment that you want. Whether it's hair color, haircut, ganyan, but they have the best service, like the best service. Yeah. So
I will join.
for the balayage.
For the balayage.
But they have like, if you follow them, you'll see yung stylists sila so good.
Mhm.
There's a stylist called Sky. She's like the best in hair color. So you
Yeah.
can tell her what you want, and she can tell you this is not gonna look good on you, but I would suggest this. Kanya, she's very nice and she's very helpful.
Yeah.
So I hope somebody wants that, somebody who is super deserving to get that, somebody who really needs to pick me up, and to get their confidence back.
Yeah.
But if you can't go to Angeles, it's okay. They also have a branch in BGC. So
Okay.
this is unsponsored by Juno Hair. I just love Juno
No,
Hair, and I
it's
just
just Franny who's gonna
Yeah.
sponsor it.
yeah, it's just really it's important that you feel good about yourself.
Yeah.
So yun. Yun na. Nakabiyak ako
Oh,
eh.
thank you, Franny. Alam mo, pero totoo yan ha.
Mhm.
If you're going through something, parang the first thing you wanna do is go to a salon.
Yes. You know, I went to that Korean salon because I wanted to have my hair cut, like chopped. Yung talagang yung super short na
Yeah.
boy hair. The stylist said, so this is different, this is not Juno hair ha. So the stylist, nag-away kami, hindi naman away, pero like we had a like very lengthy back and forth discussion because sabi niya, in a it's not like completely English kasi. So
Yeah.
sabi niya, it's not gonna look good on you. Kasi sabi niya, hindi siya bagay sa face, so parang gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, but I want it. Sabi niya, it's going to be high maintenance, but I want it. Sabi, tapos parang umabot ako sa point na parang gusto ko na sabihin na, sige, whatever you want. Tapos umabot na din siya sa point na, sige, bahala ka, whatever you want. So kung nag-exchange, kasi sabi ko, sige, what do you recommend as like a
Yeah.
stylist, ganyan. Sabi niya, I will just do whatever you want. Tapos yun, nagkaano kami. But, yeah, that's true. Here's the
Yeah.
first thing.
Oo, yeah. I had mine chopped before.
Mm-hmm.
So, yung hanggang dito lang.
Hanggang dyan lang. Sabi niya din sa akin,
Yeah.
hindi ka pwede mag-shorter than
Oo.
shoulders.
But
kasi bad.
it's true that it's very high maintenance. So, I regret it. Yeah.
Actually, no.
Yeah.
Mas low maintenance yung long hair.
Mas low maintenance kasi you can do a lot of, you know,
You can just put it in a
styles.
bun.
Yes, a bun. My go-to when I don't know what to do with my hair. Ayun.
Always bun or
Yeah.
ponytail.
Yeah, yeah.
So ako, I do buns. I do by blurred siya. I do my bun at home. But when I go out, ayoko kasi nung may nakaganon sa face ko.
Yeah.
Parang I would tie it up, especially when I'm at home. Pero, you know, it feels good to have your hair.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah, friend, you wanna talk about that? Like, you
My
know,
God.
your life update.
My life update. So, since I went through a lot of things since we had the first episode in January of 2025. I lost a friend. I unfriended someone. Well, we unfriended each other. So it was this person has been very close to me in the past, and so it was painful, and I think that was what triggered the spiral down. Apart from that, there are other issues, right, that I was going through. I'm not gonna share that anymore, but like, I think that was a trigger. So remember, I messaged you February. I said I think I want to disconnect and then I need space. And then you've been so gracious always, and you said, okay, in your time, ganyan. But that started it, and then after that, a very good friend of mine passed away um, because of cancer. So I haven't seen her in a while. The last conversation we had was in November last year. Sabi lang niya, oh, was it November or July? Siguro nung bumalik ako dun sa company. And then she said, because she was part of that company. Then she said, oh, you're back pala. Sabi niya, I'll see you soon. So yung last. And then so she passed away, and then I never got the chance to talk to her, but this person has been, one of my closest friends, and I only keep a certain number of close friends. Um, because I'm weird like that. But this person, she's seen a lot. She has been one of my support pillars, siguro, na parang we don't really talk to each other as often, but when we do get to talk, nandun siya. When I need something, kung ko post ako crowdsourcing, ganyan siya, unang reply siya, send sa akin ng mga recommendations. She would listen. And to other people, she's been like that.
Yeah.
Like, she would throw parties for people just because she wanted to. Like, that's how big of a heart she has. And so she passed away, and then I never got the chance to go to her.
Yeah.
Just prayed for her kasi nasa Cavite.
Yeah.
So, and then I also, was going through my own stuff. And then, so I went through a very big, ano ba tawag doon? Mental health breakdown. To the point that, like, everything was dark. And I just really wanted things to end. Alam mo yun, to put it lightly, kasi baka naban tayo ni Facebook. But it was so dark. But I didn't know that I needed professional help. And I think one of the first people who knew about it was, of course, you. And then my Mars Pauline, who is listening right now, Mars Pauline, thank you. So there was this one day where I was just really, really feeling very dark, and I just wanted to coop up in my room and just gusto ko dark lang that. And then you said, I will go to you. Sabi mo, I will go to you. It's either I go to you, or you go to me, whatever. But you have to go out. You have to do something. And so I went out, as nagkausap ko din si Pao. So, and then we spent time together. And just, parang just let everything out. Ganyan. And I felt like that it was so important. And that I was really holding everything in. On my own, nang wala akong, alam mo yun, parang just trying to survive.
Yeah.
And it's wrong for you to do that. So after that, I went through counseling, and then I got referred to a psychotherapist, psychologist, because it's not good. So to siguro to put words into it, I have depression, among other things, and my depression is so bad most recently, to the point that just the other day, baka nando ko sa'yo, you had like a panic attack in public. Before pa nagkaka-panic attack ako, it's triggered by work stress, ganyan. But like this time, it was so random, and it was just so sudden. Before, may feel ako na, alam mo yun, parang wave of coldness na, tapos makokontrol mo siya, and then parang you're just gonna be alone. Nobody knows that, so this is the first time I'm sharing this to everybody publicly. And only because it was also advised by my psychologist, who said you should talk about it more often. That you're going through this so that people know how to help you.
Yeah.
You can't help yourself nang alone. Parang the things that you need to do to fix yourself, yes, that's on you. But you need to make sure that you're also letting it out. Because if you keep it and just say, kaya ko to, it's going to ruin you. And that's why you're going through that, because it's always been, if there are bad things that happen, okay, just keep it in. Tapos, ito, sumasabog na ako.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to do it. So, um, that's the most recent update. That's why I had my hair done because we need to pick me up.
Yeah. Well, it's not easy to share that, Franny, so I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Because you're one of the first people who said you should ask for help.
Yeah.
And you didn't know that it was important to ask for help. As the eldest daughter.
Yeah.
As the eldest daughter, for the eldest daughters who are listening, it's how it feels to be.
Actually, ang struggle din kasi
Responsible.
dyan, Franny, is because you're a mom, you feel like you should be the last.
Yes.
Because there are so many things happening around you, your family, your kids. Like, how can you have time to even like identify what you're going through?
Yes. That's
Right? So parang it's all pent up. You feel like you're just stressed, you're just tired, but it's actually a different matter.
Yeah.
And that's why it's important to talk to somebody about it.
Yes.
And that's why I always say this, like, I'm proud of you because whenever you identify something that's not right and you take a step to acknowledge it and do something about it, then that's very noteworthy. So kaya ako, like, now I also share my postpartum journey, my depression. It led me to counseling, it led me to being better, and eventually led me to doing Nipnok. So so parang I always think that our traumas, even our past traumas, our childhood traumas, they play a very big role in our lives right now,
Yes,
so that we can help others.
That's true. That's true. So, ayun, siguro kung ikaw ang advocacy mo is more on the postpartum stuff, siguro ako dun sa after post. When you're going through depression because of other things that are happening in your life,
Yeah.
like losing friends, yeah, among other things, right? Like, but yeah, that's what's been happening, and that's also one of the reasons why me time took a bit of a break, because I appreciate you, Franny, for giving me that space. And she actually said before we did this episode, she said, "Are you ready? If you're not, then it's okay." But I think I am ready, and I need to step out of that dark hole that I put myself in, because life goes on. I have kids. I'm not a single person. I need to take care of myself so that I can also give my kids the same support.
Yeah.
Because you know what they say, Penny, na whatever it is that you went through before you had kids, or whatever it is that you're going through in life, the reason why you're going through that is because your kids will maybe 80% of the time go through it.
Yeah.
When they're older. So you experience all of these things because you need to teach your kids that how to survive. And that resonated so much because I have a teenager who's gonna go through like different emotions and relationships eventually, right? So kailangan equipped ka for that conversation.
And that's like a lot of pressure, diba? Because when you become parents, when you're raising someone who does nothing but just look up to you.
Like, kagayahin ka sa lahat ng bagay.
Yeah, so yun yung nakaka-stress na part eh. But at the same time, it doesn't have to be stressful. Because you can involve them. For example, when they say na, how you cope with your problems, either nilalabanan mo or you speak about it or you're just in a room, then it's also gonna manifest in their behavior when they experience a problem.
Yes. They will mirror it.
They will mirror it. So yeah, so basta yun, I'm so proud of you, Franny, and I know that there's no way but up. And we will always support you and pray for you. So
thank you. And I'm so proud because I didn't cry.
Ako pa nga naiyak eh.
I didn't cry. Siguro, parang, naka-on yung naka-on yung yung course ko in college. So, nakaharap ka sa camera so you don't cry.
Yes.
But yes, it's
Thank you for sharing, Franny.
thank you too. But there are, so for the mommies who are going through the same thing, it's never going to be fixed in just one session. Counseling or psychotherapy sessions. If it has to go through if it has to happen like multiple times, it has to happen multiple times because sometimes you just need help. Ako, I thought I didn't need help because I'm a grown person. It's not as bad as others.
You're
Lagi ko iniisip,
independent.
I'm independent.
Yeah.
Parang, inisip ko before, parang, there are people who had it worse. So I can handle this. But sometimes kasi your worst may not look as bad as their worst, but it doesn't mean that you can solve it on your own.
Yeah.
Diba? Sometimes even the simplest things you can't handle them alone.
Yeah.
You need somebody to be there to support you. So, and in my condition, it has to be somebody who has no bias. No bias at all. Diba? Parang it has to be somebody who is external from your life so that they can
Right.
help you. Because pag may bias ka, syempre, you will go in a direction where it can be harmful to the person who's going through that,
Yeah.
right? Sa'yo mukhang okay lang. So, yun yung importante dun. Get unbiased opinion about things.
Yes. Always go for unbiased opinions.
Perfect. So that's why it's unbothered.
Yes,
Episode
unbothered take two,
Take two,
diba?
yes, because we said unbothered in January, but
Yeah.
we were bothered. So let's do it again. Let's try
Yes,
again.
let's try again. All right, and that leads us actually to our next burning question.
Ayan na, oh my God, natatakot ako dito.
Yeah, so yeah, before we end and do our last giveaway, which is the Mami Hash 3.0 giveaway, we have the next burning question, which is, how do you stay unbothered despite the noise around as a mom? Parang Miss Universe to.
Ikaw muna.
How do you stay unbothered, no? Despite the noise around as a mom. So, alam mo sa akin, and I don't know, I hope this doesn't sound, prideful or whatever. Pero kasi, I work so hard to make sure that my day-to-day life is happy. So, and my friends actually asked me one time, paano ba ako naging gentle parent? Paano ba ako naging gentle parent? How am I unbothered? Pero it's hard to be a gentle parent when the rest of your world seems very chaotic. So, for me, you fix your life, right? And that's why I always say that you have standards. You have to have standards. If it's raising your kids, then you have to have discipline or something. You have to have time for yourself. You have to work hard so you can have the resources and fix the relationships around you so that you can be better and that you can be happy. So it's really hard to be bothered if you are happy.
Yes. You build yourself to that level na.
Yes. And at the end of the day, ano ba yung nagmamatter sa'yo, right? And for me, it's my family. It's my husband, my kids, my friends, God, my family, and that's it.
Yeah.
Like, if yun lang yung kailangan ko to make myself happy, then I'm not gonna look elsewhere. Just work on it. Be happy about all the blessings that I have. Then that helps with my unbotheredness.
Yes, that's true. I agree with everything that you said. For me, how do I stay unbothered? Siguro, because that's going to be the end result, right?
Yeah.
Yung kung nasaan ka ngayon, Granny, and the way you're thinking of things, that's where you are already unbothered. Siguro to answer the underlying question behind it is, how do I get to that point? And for me, it has to start with you identifying in this situation which one is uncontrollable and which one is controllable.
Yeah.
So that goes with work and also with life, right? So at work kasi we always do that. So,
Yeah.
but like you can apply it at your personal life too.
Correct.
When you're going through a situation where you feel like things are very noisy, things are very chaotic, you have to sit down. You have to you can't just shut the noise around you, right? But you
Yeah.
have to have like that time to sit down and reflect and think, okay, in this situation I need to step back. I need to look at which one is uncontrollable and which one is controllable.
Yeah.
And then when you start identifying things that way, it's going to be easier for you to make a decision about how to move forward, how to do this. But then, so when you identify which one is uncontrollable, then you let that go. You focus
Yeah.
on the controllable and you work on the controllable, so that you start building on your kung kunwari financials yan, right? And you start building on your strategies to improve your financial situation,
Right.
or your marital situation, or your in-law situation, whatever it is that you moms are going through, right?
Yeah.
You focus on the controllables first. And then when you start doing that, you start identifying what the controllables are, then you can make actions around it. The results of those actions are
Yeah.
your own peace of mind.
Right. Yes. So that's how we do our best to stay unbothered. So every aspect of our life, we do our best to ensure that it's happy, that it's working well, and we also prioritize ourselves.
Yes.
That's the most important part. And that's why we have me time, right? That's actually the essence of it. Yun. So that's burning question number 2.
Burning.
Yes, burning talaga. But our episode is about to end soon, Franny, and I'm excited for Mother's Day.
Yes.
What are you looking forward to?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like right now, kasi parang the way things are going, parang I just need to live every day, parang just focus on the day.
Yeah.
Because my problem before has always been, I always look at yung parang I look at an encompassing month. Tapos parang you just take things, okay, this is what's going to happen in this month, ganyan. Tapos I just take everything in.
Yeah.
And then parang nakaka-overwhelm siya, right?
Yeah.
But now parang one of the things that I'm trying to exercise for myself is like just living day by day. Parang, okay, this is the problem for the day. This is what you need to resolve for the day. Yun. So Mother's Day, I haven't planned around it. I don't know what my kids have planned for it. I don't think they have any plans.
Yes. Or we can also have our mom friends Mother's Day.
Yes. Yun.
Pwede din.
Right? Pwede din. But this day, Mother's Day, is one of those days where you moms should feel loved and empowered. And so I hope you all go through that in your respective lives.
Yeah. So true. Ako excited ako kasi especially when Shadrach launched it for Mother's Month, which is my advocacy. Sobrang happy nga ako that it's a big, parang, what do you call this, announcement.
Yeah.
Or like it's also a help, or parang a shout for moms to prioritize themselves, not just for Mother's Month, of course, but for every day, right? That's also one of the things that I have been sharing ever since we started Me Time, right? And Dipnok in general. But so super excited. Yes.
So my giveaway is going to be a post Mother's Day.
Okay, sige. So Franny's Juno Hair Salon, grabe, color giveaway. Sabi ko, sasali ako.
Bahala na.
Yes. But stay tuned for the details, mommies.
Stay tuned. And then for the moms who are alone, of course, we have single moms who are here, right?
Yes.
Siguro, ang advice ko na lang is don't forget about yourself. If you feel like you need to buy yourself a gift for Mother's Day, why not?
Yeah.
Diba? Why not? I do that. Personally, I do that na if I want something, parang I don't, like, kunwari there were birthdays in the past where I felt like, before I got married, I'm single pa ako, parang I felt like I was alone. Kasi my mom died in 2008. And so my mom always has a gift for me on birthday ko. So it has the Harry Potter book or whatever. Ganyan. So after she died, I felt like nobody's gonna give me a gift anymore. Ganyan. Yan, talk me kasi si mom.
Oh.
Nobody's gonna give me a gift anymore. I'm alone. Parang who's gonna give me a gift? Ganyan. But then, in hindsight, if I think about it, I could buy myself a gift. Why not?
Yes.
So, yun. Buy yourself a gift. Buy something that you can look at and remember na I did this on my own.
Yes.
Kunwari earrings yan or whatever, you do it. Diba? I would say, I would always say a piece of jewelry because kahit silver lang yan or whatever, right? Like, kahit nga fancy eh.
Yeah.
But something that for you to look at and see that I can do something on my own.
Alam mo, actually, I've never bought anything for myself, specifically for Mother's Day.
Mhm.
Never. So, that's very interesting. Yeah. Pero kasi ako, I'm not naman super into
Yeah, hindi ka naman maganon eh.
buying stuff talaga.
Oo.
But it's fine. Pero yeah, it's good.
Parang what do you call that? It can't be something that's disposable. It has to be something that you can look at. Parang trophy for yourself.
Yeah.
Kaya yun, parang kasi nga you focus on controllables and uncontrollables. So yun yung isip ko in hindsight. So for
Yeah.
Mother's Day, ko lang makuha for my kids. I will buy myself something. Sorry guys. Mother's Day is mine. I'll buy myself something. I'll buy myself, I don't know,
Yeah.
a ring or what.
Yeah. Well, of course, if that makes you happy, a happy mama for Mother's Day, then so be it.
Yes.
So we will support. And for our last giveaway, we have the Mame Hash 3.0.
Oh, let me get it.
Okay, Franny, go. Ikaw ang ating model for...
Is it two?
Yes,
Pair.
of course. We always give out pair. Kasi ang sad...
Sabi niyo pump ng one lang. Diba?
Hindi, yeah.
Oh.
Totoo. Pero some moms like do one. Maybe kasi nagpa-parallel sila. Pero syempre dito,
Of course.
we always go big.
Go big or go home. Yeah.
Yes, we have the Mame Hash 3.0.
Parang vlogger lang.
Parang vlogger lang.
Dapat may
Tapos
ganun.
gumanong-ganon ka pa, friend.
ASMR.
ASMR. Yes, so we have the last giveaway, which is the Mame Hash 3.0, the new and improved.
There's two of this.
Yes,
It's a
you want me to
pair.
hold the other one? Okay, it's a
Yeah.
pair. It's a really... Wait, may mga nagre-reflect. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Mame Hash 3.0, it's a pair. And the mommy who will win this, oh my goodness, so happy for you.
Yes.
It's also going to be a very happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. This is your gift for
Yes, you
Okay.
have a new breast pump. And for those who don't breastfeed anymore, mommies, don't worry. We have more giveaways coming soon. Some baby and mommy products that I cannot announce yet.
secret.
But we have a me time giveaway care of Mommy Marie, which is the hair color giveaway that we
Hair
will announce soon.
Color, treatment, whatever.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And then you wanna read Franny the Nipnoc or me time.
Okay. Sorry.
And then
so
I'll do the thread again.
So while Franny is doing the thread, what you need to put in the thread is what has Nipnoc taught you in 2025 that has made you more intentional about motherhood. I love that word, intentional. Intentional about everything. You have to be intentional about everything.
Yes. And I'm not saying that moms are not intentional.
Yeah.
There are things that, of course, that we're intentional about.
Yes.
But if there's something that you've probably learned, something new or something that really struck and made you more intentional about being a mama, reply to the giveaway thread of the Mame Hash 3.0. Please make sure to comment there because that's where we're gonna pick our winners.
Wala. Sorry.
If it's outside, yes, sorry. Dun lang tayo sa thread para mas madali.
So the question again is, what has Nipnoc taught you in 2025 that has made you more intentional about motherhood? Yarn.
So, grabe. Ang ganda ng Mami Hash 3.0 at ng Mami Bestie. Ha?
Yeah.
Talagang mga limited edition. So many. Franny, what has taught you? What has taught
What-
you? We're tired.
Gutom ka na.
I'm tired and hungry. Okay, but what has, I don't know, siguro this community. What does this community teach you in 2025?
I think because, like, specific to this community, what you've gone through, yung mga bashers and everyone, you, you really have to surround yourself with the right people. When you surround yourself with the right people who share the same values and the same thought process siguro, or the same, I don't know, sige, values na lang. You have people around you who share the same values, you're supported, and then that helps you let go of other things.
Yeah.
Na ng mga non-controllables. Kasi sometimes if you don't have the right support group, if you don't have the right people who will support you, ang iisipin mo talaga parang hindi mo makikita siguro yung part where you have to disconnect. Na alam mo yun, and on the other, siguro on the other side of the situation, you don't have to fight alone. Parang you have people supporting you who will fight the same battles as you. And that's
Yes.
important because if you don't have that kind of support, then it's going to be a very lonely road ahead.
Yeah.
No? And then you don't become a better person. And then secondly, one of the things that I learned is outside of NIPOC outside of the community, it's, you can't, I always see this when I do coaching sa mga tao ko. Pero like, I can't apply it to myself. You can never pour from an empty cup. You can't. So if you have to focus on yourself, your mental health, your peace,
Yeah.
before you can share the same to other people.
Peace from within. Alam mo, nakakatuwa lang. You surround yourself with people who will support you, fight for you. You know, my friends are so feisty and so fierce.
In a good way.
In a good way, yes. Talagang sila ay ready manlaban.
Yes.
Ready because they love you so much and
They
that,
believe in you.
yes, and then ayaw nila nang ginaganon ka. Yun. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga people who were there, who messaged me, asking how
How
I,
are you?
yeah, how I am, how I was doing during that moment. Sabi ko, I'm okay. You know, I have a lot of friends talaga who have been supportive, who have been fighting for me,
Vocal.
who have been vocal. Pero ako, I just want to keep my peace. Yun. For me naman, siguro, just to reinforce, you know, the passion and the advocacy that I have. Kasi if you have the right heart naman to do these things, then the right people will always
Gravitate towards you.
Yeah, or will believe in you, will support you. And that you should never work hard in trying to please everybody.
Yes, that's coming from a people pleaser.
Yeah,
That's wrong. Don't do things
Mhm.
just to please people.
correct.
Yeah.
So, yun. So, just work on yourself, prioritize yourself, and be happy with your current situation, and address things that can be better so that you can be a better mom or a better
Yes.
person for you and your family.
Yes, that's true. That's true. You know, naisip ko lang sa sinabi mo na yun. Before kasi parang I would be super bothered, especially when it comes to work, no? Kasi I used to be a people manager, and so
Yeah.
I would be bothered when people would say, masyado kang matapang, masyado kang ganito, masyado kang ganyan, you're too aggressive, ganyan. I would get hurt.
Yeah.
Parang, there was this one time when I was in college naman, somebody said that you're too ambitious.
Yeah.
I used to get hurt. Iyak talaga ako. It would destroy me as a person. But then, ngayon parang naisip ko na, what's wrong about that?
Yeah.
What's wrong about being aggressive and putting standards and
Correct.
owning your standards and implementing your standards? Diba? What's wrong about being ambitiosa?
Yeah.
Diba? As long as you're not hurting other people, as long as you're not, maybe you're not being a gold digger, as long as you're not like that, then that's okay, right? Parang
Yeah.
you have to plan eh. Parang if you don't have an ambition, how will your kids have ambition?
Mm-hmm.
So ngayon parang naisip ko, when kunwari sasabihin, kunwari sa work I would hear na parang, kung sabi nila masyado ka makulit kasi follow up ka ng follow up, ganyan, I don't
Yeah.
care. So what?
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Didn't hurt other people.
Yeah.
I didn't step on your pride. Oh, did I step on your ego? Feisty.
Feisty na naman siya.
Oh, sorry, did I step on your ego? No, but I'm nice at work. But yeah, people would say that, especially that this is sad. But like in the corporate setting, there's always this huge and it's never gonna die, right? Like the male versus female kind of ano. And before kapag a male yung nagsabi sa akin na ganun, I would feel parang, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Kasi nga people pleaser ako, but now I'm not a people pleaser. And there was this one person who said, I don't get, wala naman akong work buddies dito. But there was this one person, wala siya sa Philippines, but like, there's this one person who said, I don't get why you have to be so forceful about this. And I said, well, if I'm not forceful about this, then we're going to lose the business. Are you going to take what I said because you accept that this is something that we need to change? Or you refuse to do that because I stepped on your ego? And he was like, I'm so offended right now. I'm so offended right now. I don't think I can have this conversation with you because this is uncomfortable. And I said, well, this is uncomfortable for me too. So feel free to leave if you want to. But like,
too feisty ka.
malabas yung sungay kasi. I should be cute and ano lang.
But then you're in
cute and yeah, ganun lang. But sometimes you have to fight for yourself that way, right? But if you're not equipped to do that, if you don't have the confidence to do that, it's going to be hard for you to do that. So, invest in yourself.
Yeah.
Invest in yourself first.
Yep. Well, that's corporate world.
That's what happens when it's unfiltered.
I do not miss.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, I do not miss. Turns you to a different person.
Yeah. I'm always a different person at work. Personal life.
I know. Our two sides.
Yes.
But yeah. Well, I think that wraps up our episode 13, Franny.
I love
Can you
13.
believe it? My goodness.
Yes.
It's been an hour and something and we're still here.
And you don't care.
And we have 32,000 viewers.
Ooh.
Yes, thank you
Is
so
this the
much.
highest so far, no?
Yeah.
What's the highest?
But parang mga
64,000.
64 mga ganyan. Yes. Pero, they come and go.
Yeah.
They stick around. But like what we said, the number doesn't matter.
Yes.
What matters is that certain group who's always there.
Yes. The people who matter are there. That's what's important.
Yes. Nag-send ng stars yung anak ko.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Oy, grabe.
Yes. So
hi, Ma.
shall we close?
Yes. So I guess that's the end of our session.
It's bitten, no?
Yeah.
But yes, hopefully we're gonna do another session again.
Yes.
But we'll see. We'll let you know, mommies. But it's been a blast
Talking
to you all again. It's been a while. It's been a couple of months. Yes, we missed you, promise.
And thank you for giving me space to everybody na hindi nangungulit na nasa na yung tayo.
Yeah, may mga nangungulit. Pero syempre hindi ko na sinasabi sa'yo kasi ayoko makulitan ka. Yes, but take your time. Right?
Yes.
Like what you always say.
I saw something, sabi niya. I saw someone say, parang ang sarap ng coffee mo. Sino ba yun? Si Justin ba yun?
Yeah.
Yes, masarap yung coffee. Alam mo na kung saan galing ito. Nangungulit nga ako. Sabi ko, kailan ba mag-open ng shop? Kasi kailangan nandun ako. Because I'm always in Angeles. But yeah, if you're hearing this message, then you listen to the entire episode. And for that, we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We hope you enjoyed, mommies, and we hope you learned something from the episode today that you can share with others, pay it forward. And if you're happy, please leave us a review on the Nipnok page, and share this episode with others also who can benefit from our chica.
Yes, where we are so proud of our imperfections, our struggles, that we share it with you because we love
Mhm.
you, and hopefully it encourages you, and also it motivates you
Yes, motivation.
to prioritize yourself as well.
Yeah.
And also let us know what other topics you want to be covered in the future, mommies. Please get in touch. I also wanted to say there are
Yeah.
some who left 5 stars in our Spotify. If you have forgotten, we actually have our Spotify account. If you want to listen to it while you're
Yes.
doing something, driving, doing errands, chores.
Oo.
putting-
Speaking of Spotify, before we end, Chika, I switched to Apple Music.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Should we also do it in
You
Apple
should.
Music?
Yeah. Because I don't do Spotify anymore. I'm on Apple Music.
Aw, okay. Sige, I will revisit our choices in life.
Yes, because there's also Apple Podcast.
Okay, sige.
So you should be there.
Yes, so anyway.
Ang dami nating naisip na
Oo nga
ideas today.
eh. Thank you again, mommies. We are so grateful for all of you, and we hope you've learned something new for today.
Yep.
Keep being unbothered. Be happy. Be kind.
If it has to take 100 takes for you to be unbothered, that's okay.
Yes, and we will review all of your answers for the giveaway threads. Give us until Monday, Tuesday to announce the winners. And thank you again, mommies. We hope that you learned something today, or I don't know, made you happy, or kahit, the chika lang is
Yes.
really amazing for us. But thank you all, and we'll see you on the next episode.
See you in the next episode. Stand by for the hair, and then
Yes, for the hair giveaway. Thank you, Franny.
Thanks, mommies.
Bye.
Bye bye.